Bandar Abbas seaport is in which country? Iran. Al Amal is the Mars mission of UAE. Sehat Health Insurance Program started from which province of Pakistan? KPK. Why Afghanistan opposed Pakistan membership in UNO? Durand Line. Which city of Pakistan is called Paris of Asia? Karachi. Iron Dome technology is possessed by Israel. The founder of Amazon is Jeff Bezos. In 2018, which court opened case of Indian spy Kulbhushan Yadav (ICJ)? A senator is elected for how many years? 6. What was the purpose of Minto Moller reforms of 1909? Separate electorates. International Federation of Journalists ranked Pakistan for dangerous country. Fourth. What does LFO stands for? Legal Framework Order. What is basin? Deep area in land. When Oscar Award started? 1929. Metrology is the science of weight and measurement. Who started civil rights movement? Martin Luther King. Industrial revolution started in Great Britain. Mussolini is from which country? Italy. During COVID-19, Pakistan offered India ambulance. Pakistan needed how many votes from FATF members to exit from grey list? 12. The population of Pakistan under the age of 35 is 65%. Max Weber was a German sociologist. The third most abundant element is aluminium. Far-sightedness can be corrected by convex lens. Urdu-Hindi controversy started in 1867. How many neutrons in hydrogen? 0. Bolshevik revolution is related to Russia. Bolan Pass is in which range? Toba Kakar range. Last Governor General of Pakistan was Iskandar Mirza. Kunhar River is also called Chitral River. Diamond is the form of carbon. Pakistan permanent representative to UNO is Munir Akram. Current head of Islamic Ideology Council, Qibla Ayaz. The currency of China is Yuan. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. The life of red blood cells is 120 days. Patriotic song Kasam Us Waqt Ki was sung by Junaid Jamshed. Which planet revolves in clockwise rotation around Sun and seen from Earth? Venus. Mossad is the secret agency of Israel. Benazir Bhutto embraced Shahadat in 2007. European Union has how many members? 27. The capital of Libya is Tripoli. Foreign policy of Pakistan is bilateralism. Sedimentary rocks, how much part of Earth? 75%. When Tarbela Dam completed? 1976. Which continent has no desert? Europe. Greenwich Mean Time is located near the city London. When Shah Waliullah was born in 1703, main reasons of partition of Bengal was administrative requirements. Shatul Arab is the river that borders two countries which are Iran and Iraq. If mundane, spiritual, then worldly, unworldly. He got the examination by dint of hard work. Over. Bring me some water. I went to the airport to catch flight. Change voice, open the window. Let the window be opened. Farmer Parkinson dog is dashed to scare any intruder. Ferocious enough. Better to be untaught than ill-taught. Ill-taught is adjective. When Cripps mission arrived 1942, Prime Minister Imran Khan inaugurated Kartarpur Corridor in November 2019. First Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526. Currently President of Azad Kashmir is Sardar Masood Khan. This chair resembles dash that with choose the right one. Many a soldier lost his life in war. She came later than I. The solicitor wrote a letter to Anne and in which he asked us if we could settle the matter between us. He said to me, "Keep quiet." He ordered to keep quiet. The dog sprang upon him, which comes immediately after the noun adjective phrase. Correct the right one. Do not make friends with selfish people. Father me not to go out in the cold, advised. If a number is multiplied by 2/3 of itself, the value so obtained is 864. What is the number? 36. Question number 77. Which key is used to minimize Excel worksheet? Control plus F9. Videos, documents and files can be shown in WhatsApp. The extension of PowerPoint is PPT. In MS Word, header and footer are inserted on every page. Which button do you click to add up a series of numbers? AutoSum. When you insert an Excel file to a Word document, the data are linked. آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے کسوی نامی اونٹنی کب خریدی؟ ہجرت مدینہ کے وقت. حضرت عمر نے وصال کے وقت کتنے لوگوں کی شورا بنائی؟ 6. کون سے صحابی عشرہ مبشرہ میں شامل ہیں؟ حضرت سعد بن ابی وقاص رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ. حضرت عمر کا سلسلہ آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم سے کہاں ملتا ہے؟ قاب. فقہ جعفریہ کی مستند ترین کتاب ہے اصول اربعہ. بھگو گیتا کس مذہب کی کتاب ہے؟ ہندو مت. اونٹنی کا معجزہ کس نبی کے بارے میں ہے؟ حضرت صالح علیہ السلام. سکھ کتنے خداؤں کو مانتے ہیں؟ 1. ماورا کس کا شعری مجموعہ ہے؟ نون میم راشد. مجلا اور راگ کے ادیب کا نام بتائیں؟ ڈاکٹر وزیر آغا. 1797 میں غالب پیدا ہوئے. 1817 میں سید. 1837 میں غالب پیدا ہوئے. 1857 میں کون پیدا ہوئے؟ مولانا شبلی نعمانی. خالی جگہ پر کیجیے. آج مرے کل دوسرا دن. خالی جگہ پر کیجیے. آم کے آم گٹھلیوں کے دام. کرنل برگرائڈ نے انجمن پنجاب کہاں بنائی؟ لاہور. اقبال کی نظم شکوہ جواب شکوہ کس حیت میں لکھی گئیں؟ مسدس. قاضیۃ الغفار کا ناول کون سا ہے؟ لیلا کی خطوط. نرمی، تاریخی، بیداری گرامر کی روح سے کیا ہے؟ اس میں کیفیت. کالی داس نے ڈرامہ شکنتلا کس زبان میں لکھا؟ سنسکرت.